Yes. Good morning, buddy.
There you go, Alex. Look, he's Thomas. Poor guy. Look, that's for boys. What happened?
Oh, those are mommy and daddy's, Ruby. Yours is on the couch.
What is Thomas? What is this? What is this one? It's a sound. Look, it's for being mine.
Santa came. Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one.
Do you know what it is, Bennett? What is it?
Whoa, it's Thomas.
Hey, Alex, wait. We don't open those yet. Let's look in our stockings,
Look at
buddy.
your stockings. Wait. This is. We'll
Look.
open. We'll open these.
You break them.
That's okay.
That's for Santa to open.
Let's come look at your stockings, Ruby.
We're gonna open those later.
This is for Alex. Open and pour it out and see what's in. This one is for Bennett,
One for me.
and this one is for Ruby.
Dump it out. What's inside?
Princesses. What's there?
That's a
That's a
toothbrush.
A special toothbrush for you.
And where's
This one is Bennett.
Bennett, shake the car. Shake it.
I wonder what's inside. Wait a minute. I wonder what's inside
I
this
wonder
box.
what's inside. Here, Bennett, this one's yours.
Slippers. Slippers.
Oh my
What's inside?
Slippers.
Do you want to put them on?
Is it soccer? A soccer, please.
There's one in your stocking. Look inside.
Look.
Everybody look inside your
Inside your
stocking.
stocking. Alex, look inside your stocking.
Slipper.
Yes, your slippers for everyone.
I can't do all my
We'll use
slides.
both hands. Put this down.
This one. Look.
And look inside. Look
It's
inside.
gummy. Look.
Gumby.
Gummy. Here, look.
I love it.
Like this one. What's in there? Can I open it?
Yeah.
Hey.
What's inside?
Mhm.
A sucker,
What else?
look! A sucker! My sucker, please, I want red.
Look inside your red
Look
stocking.
here. I think there's a bunch of fun things.
Never watched
is
this
it?
gummy?
What? Oh, you got some slippers too. Santa put some slippers in your stocking.
Bennett, look inside some more.
Look at the funny one.
Honey, help him get.
Open up the sucker, and there's white. Look, yes, balls on it.
It's a bow.
Get this
I
thing
want to open it.
right here.
I
This
want
big
to
thing.
open
Is
it.
it-
Gummy thing. Yes, gummy too. Daddy, what's in there? What is it?
Gummy.
Gummy. In there. Can I open this? What?
Oh, we'll have this later. Mommy made.
Mommy,
I don't know.
wanna open it? Can I open it?
They can open the suckers.
I'll reach inside.
Look! Look at Santa Claus! Car.
It tastes like candy cane sucker.
It tastes like candy cane. It's sucker! A sucker candy cane. A sucker
What's in
candy.
there? What's in there? What is it?
It's oranges.
An orange for you.
Orange.
Do you love Christmas morning?
Look, Santa Claus. Roll it. Roll.
Is that everything?
Go on the roof. It is chocolate.
Santa Claus was on the roof?
It go on the roof. It's gummy.
Do you want me to open your sucker?
I